Okay, so the calculation that I'm going to explain how to work out the answer to is 23 times 45. It's a multiplication. I can't do it mentally, so I know that I need the grid method, because they're both, if you look at the numbers, they're both two-digit numbers. So I need to make sure that I draw enough columns in my grid method chart to allow for that. So if I draw 3 lines, that gives me 2 that way. And if I draw 3 lines, that gives me 2 that way. And then I need to partition my 23, which I'll do into 20. There are 2 tens and 3 units. I need to partition my 45 into 40 and 5. I then need to multiply 20 by 40. So this number here by this number here. And 20 times 40 is 800. And I know that because 2 times 4 is 8. And then I need to multiply it by 10, which would make 80, and then 10 again, which makes 800. I'm then going to multiply 3 by 40, and I know that 3 times 4 is 12, so if I multiply that by 10, because there's an extra 10 in the 40, that makes 120. I'm then going to multiply these two numbers here, 20 and 5, and I know that 20 times 5 is 100. That's a fact that I know already. And then I'm going to lastly multiply 3 by 5, which makes 15. But I've not finished yet because I need to add together all of the answers to those multiplications. So I need to add 800, 120, 15 and 100. Okay, now I'm going to add them together using the column method, and I put these 3 arrows here because the largest number that we had was 800, and that's a 3-digit number, so I know that my column method is going to need 3 different columns. So if I write the numbers underneath the arrows, I'll make sure I don't muddle up any hundreds, tens or units. So it's 800, I've done that quite big, 120, 100 and 15. I'll draw a little line at the bottom here. And let's add the columns together. So 0, 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. And then 800, add another 100, and another 100 is 1,000. So I need to branch into this column on the end with no hundreds. So the answer is 1,035. Now I need to go back and check it.